Ladies and gentlemen, today I have something incredible to show you. This 5/6 6-bedroom semi-detached family home has been completely renovated by the current owners to a meticulous standard. Let's go take a look. Upon entering the property, you are greeted with this incredible open plan living kitchen area with a range of integrated appliances, central island with quartz work surfaces, and the whole floor also benefits from underfloor heating. Also on the ground floor, we have a utility room, downstairs toilet and shower room, and access to an integral garage. On the first floor of the property, we've got 4 bedrooms and a study. And the main family bathroom, which is perfect for unwinding after a hard day's work. On the second floor, we have this stunning master bedroom with a range of fitted wardrobes, Juliet balcony, and an ensuite. We finish in this low maintenance rear garden, which is absolutely perfect for entertaining with a seating area down the rear. To arrange a viewing, please contact the Balgores Romford team. My name's Charlie King, we are Balgores, and I look forward to seeing you very soon.